I'm getting a reading on the humidity under the skirt.
Okay, log that and photograph the mantlet welds.
The tracks are completely seized. We need to clear this section first.
Agreed. Get a photo of that serial number plate.
Look at the corrosion on this track link.
Yes, decades of exposure. We'll need a full structural analysis here.
Shackles secured. Take up the slack slowly.
Tension right fast on the meter.
Hold it right there. Stop the pull.
Watch the left track, clear that debris now. Steady pull, keep the tension.
Okay, bolt 42, confirmed.
Mark it for removal sequence 3 and the skirt panel alignment. Use the arrow stencil. There's significant wear on this linkage.
Yes, and the cabling here looks aged beyond specification.
Okay, the bolt is free. Let's lift it out slowly.
Careful, it's heavier than it looks.
Watch the clearance on your side.
I've marked the fatigue line here. It's too risky to ignore.
The wear patterns match the Vickers diagrams.
All right, let's tag this for immediate replacement.
Check the alignment here. It's flush on my side. Good. Hold it steady while I check the gauges.
Look at the hardening right here.
And the corrosion on the crimp. It's definitely compromised.
See the cracking on the rubber here. The hardening is severe.
Yes, but the replacement aligns perfectly. The tag confirms the specs.
Right there, the wear pattern on the second gear.
Yes, I see it. It is acceptable for now. Check the alignment as it rotates.
Got the last piece out. The groove looks clean now.
All right, let's seat the new one. Make sure it's perfectly flush. The hydraulic pressure is exactly within tolerance.
Noted. The baseline is secure.
The alignment is good. No lateral drift.
Confirmed. We are all set here.
All right, last one's loose. Okay, I've got the weight. Steady now.
This section is very stiff. The insulation is cracking right here. Yeah.
And the corrosion on this bracket is severe.
The insulation here is quite brittle.
Okay.
Yes, look at the stress fracture near the bracket.
Check the schematic for the turret traverse servo.
That's C14. Are you sure this is the right loom?
Yes, the chalk mark confirms it.
This routing doesn't match the diagram. Look here.
Yes, the modification was likely done in the late 70s batch. We must update the main chart.
Check the torque on that one.
It's gradual, almost there. Spacing looks good.
Test point 49er.
Confirmed. Reading is steady.
Test point 49er.
Confirmed. 0.01 ohms.
Verified. Range is clear.
Acceptable play. Primary lever, full travel forward.
Confirmed. No binding.
Returning smoothly. Checking the secondary now.
There it is. The main indicator is flickering under load.
I see it. Cut the power.
Vijayanta tank, India's first indigenous main battle tank.
Watch the edge right here.
All right, pulling back now. Looks good.
Is that fully secured now?
Yes, that looks good.